All right, so I got a new, some new parts for a Taig lathe, and I don't like having to use the screwdriver every time I want to adjust things. So we're going to switch out this screw here for a screw with the knob. So first thing I did is I've got a Bamboo Labs mini A1 printer, so designed up the tri-way knob that's going to look consistent to other Taig applications, and I've got it set up so it's going to fit well with the Allen wrench socket head screws that you can purchase. I got mine at Menards, 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Should work. And then I printed some out. That's it. Alright, so they end up coming out looking like that. And then I take my heat gun and pliers, and I'm going to heat up the head. Once the head is hot, I'll just insert it down into the plastic. Like so. I don't have it hot enough yet. Alright, so once we get it hot, we're going to just push it down into the head and then make sure we have it lined up straight. Which that one looks like it's pretty good. That's all there is to it. So we end up with our screw, and we're ready. We will just put it in here. And voila, we are clamped down. Probably not a bad idea to add a washer. I'll probably do that later, but that's all there is to it.